In our previous video, we have learned how to fix the issue related to the duplication of items while saving it. And another thing is that the data was not showing into the recycler view list. So if you have not seen that video, then I will tag it right up there. And apart from that, we need some more features like deleting all the items or delete selected items. So before we move ahead, we need to make some changes into the layout because we don't have any option here, right? You can see in our code, in our layout, we don't have any other button to handle anything. So we will add some buttons, and before that I need to show you something, guys, that I did one mistake. That is, I am doing this over here, and we should not use this code over here because see, we are removing, but we are not supposed to do that while fetching the data and showing it when the onCreate method is called. We are supposed to do it right here when we are saving the data. We need to remove it and update with new data, and we are supposed to do it exactly right before we put any other uh, string inside the key, or you can say using the key that we have. So here we are removing, then we will save the new one. Okay, I will just add the comment, remove old data, and here saving new data. We are adding the edit text item along with other items, and we are notifying the recycler view here, removing the old string if it is there, and it will remove it, it will the store, okay, whatever data is there. So I think until here everything is clear. If we would not make that change, means the remove string over here, then what will happen is that all the data will be removed whenever you are opening the application and fetch and update data is called, and here it was that line of code, okay, and it would simply clean everything. So now let's make some changes that we need in the layout. First of all, we will go to our activity main layout, and here we need to first of all adjust the recycler view because it is overlapping with the edit text. How can we do it? We need to match with parent corners. Here the bottom to bottom is parent, that's why the recycler view totally hitting the bottom, and at the same time edit text as well. So whatever list is going on, it will overlap with the edit text as well. So we will first of all fix it. Let's remove the bottom to bottom and bottom, make it bottom to top of edit text user input. Now the recycler view is gonna be limited. Okay, here in the height place we need to make it 0 dp so that it will only reach up to edit text area and not to the parent, because when we make it match parent, no matter whatever constraint we give, it's gonna match with the parent. Right now you can see it is like this, but with match parent it comes down. Okay, so we will make it 0 dp. It's like fill parent, or fill parent is not that much practical, that's why 0 dp is mostly used. Apart from that, the edit text looks good to me. Okay, we don't need to make more changes here. We will remove this floating action button. Let's comment it out for now, and we need to adjust some constraint end to end of parent. Okay, and in the lower part we will take a, let's say, linear layout, and we will match it with parent in case of width and wrap content for height. Okay, we cannot do like this. Okay, this one, but we need to provide constraint for this layout itself. Let's do it. TTB top to bottom of edit text, because we want it below the edit text. Okay, and bottom to bottom of, sorry, bottom to bottom of parent. Right now you cannot see the layout here, it's just a single line, is because there is no content inside and we have used a wrap content for the height. So let's put something inside. Oh, you can also give some how to say it, orientation, which orientation it should be. So let's make it vertical or horizontal. That will look a little bit good. Okay, so let's add some buttons. Wrap content, wrap content. The button is here, ID, button, save. Okay, we will give it some text. Let's name it save. Something is wrong over here. Why? Our layout is going outside the border. It should not behave like this. Linear layout, top to bottom off. Let's give some more constraint. Okay, something is wrong over here. I'm not sure why it is going outside. Okay, so let's do something. We will remove this edit text from here and let's see if it is working fine. Yep, it is working fine. So what we will do is we will put the linear text, sorry, edit text inside the linear layout. Linear plus text of edit text, linear layout, edit text, linear text, sorry. Okay, so that's here, and I think it should work fine. And we will have to use another linear layout inside the linear layout to make it work. But before that, we need to fix the constraint of the parent linear layout. Make it recycler view, top to bottom of recycler view, and bottom to bottom of parent. We need to remove these constraints from here. And bottom to, okay, we need to also provide the ID linear layout 1. Okay, our linear layout has came down here now, and our recycler view is on the top. Now our edit text is doing good here. We will add another linear layout, width match parent, height wrap content, and let's add a button over here. Okay, wrap content ID button save. This is gonna be the save button. Let's give it some text. Let's name it save. Why it is not visible? We need to make it vertical. See, now it's visible over here. And this one should be horizontal. Okay, sorry. Orientation horizontal. Okay, so that the buttons can go like this horizontally. We will copy and paste this. Another. Our three buttons are ready. Now let's name it. Okay, first one is save, and let's name this delete selected. Let's name it delete all. We need to change the button names as well. Delete selected, delete all. I think this looks good. We will make the buttons evenly spread, okay, because we don't need more buttons, so we will use this space to evenly spread the buttons inside. First of all, we will give this one some padding, not this one, but the edit text some padding. Let's name it let's give it padding of 16 dp. This should work fine, and we need to give padding to this as well. $16 again. Okay, so I think looks good. We will just spread this button. We will provide the layout weight to each item. Let's give it 1, and we will give 1 to all the items, so that all the buttons should be spread evenly. See, now you can see all the buttons are spread evenly, and I think this looks good. We will provide some, you can say, padding. Let's give it I think 1 padding will be enough for the central button. Padding horizontal. Let's give it 16 dp. Oh, the padding is not working here. I think we should. Oh, padding is for inside. That was my mistake. We should give margin horizontal. Yeah. Now we have evenly distributed buttons, and it looks good as well. So we have now save button, delete selected items, or delete all items. These three buttons are the crucial. You can of course make the layout in any design you want. We will work about the fancy layouts as well in another videos, but this is about understanding how the app is gonna work. So we are just focusing on its system and behavior and working development. Okay, so let's fix the save button here, because we have changed the floating action button. Where is our save button? It is floating action button actually. Here it is. First of all, let's make it a button, and button save, and we need to import the button as well. Brilliant. Now it should work fine. We don't really need to check it because of course the button click is supposed to work normally. Our layout is ready. In the next video we will see how we can delete selected item or delete all item. Okay,